Start. No confidence motions have become such a routine that we are not at any rate as such not bothered by their frequency except that by repeated and unsuccessful use their utility will be blunted. Stop. Though we have been in full power, we have brought this country to a stage where in many states there are government of non-congress nature either headed by single parties or by coalitions. Stop. This is in itself is proof that we do not want to cling to power, that we do not want to act undemocratically. Stop. The fact is that the Congress party allowed the constitution to work. Stop. I am saying allowed because in other countries which have a constitution there are parties which have adopted other methods and have not functioned like this. Stop. This has happened in many countries of the world and it is an aspect that we cannot ignore. Stop. There is a changed situation in India. Stop. But it is not a student change. Stop. We seem to think that because there was an election, a sudden change has come about. Stop. This change has been a gradual one. It has been coming about little by little, not only in every election but also between elections. Stop. We have been watching the change coming over the people and we have been consistently saying that these are the growing pains of democracy, that these are the roots which democracy is striking in our country. Stop. We have encouraged this. Stop. And today we see entirely new situation. Stop. One of the first things that I did was to extend my hand of cooperation and friendship to the non-Congress chief ministers of certain states. Stop. I am very happy to say that they responded in a like manner and they have assured me that we can work together. Stop. It is not an easy situation because not only are the economic and the food situation difficult but the whole complexity of this new political situation is there. Stop. But we will not fail for want of trying. Stop. That is the utmost we can say on this issue. Stop. So I think it is extremely unfair of members of the opposition to pick out one instance where things have not gone smoothly. Stop. Everywhere else where there are non-Congress governments, the transition has been a very smooth and even speedy one. Stop. I wish it had been so in Rajasthan and in other states also.